Hey guys, I'm Ronaldo from the Leaftix team. In this online training, I'm going to show you how to use Systeme.io to launch and run your online business. In this first video, we're going to run through the different features available on our platform. Firstly, you'll see the main dashboard. As soon as you log into your account, you'll be able to view any new leads, new sales, and live updates about your business. If you look under the dashboard, you'll be able to view an affiliate dashboard as well. If you're an affiliate marketer or promote other people's products, all details of those sales will be presented here. Underneath the affiliate dashboard, we have a marketplace. This is where you can list your own offers to be promoted by other affiliate marketers and view any offers that are available to promote. It's actually really cool. Next, we have contacts. This is where you can add and manage your contacts, as well as create tags for them. Remember, in the system, we use tags to segment our audience. It's so much easier and more effective. After that, you'll see funnels. This is where you can build and manage your sales funnels. These are the pages you create for your business, including sales pages, order pages, upsell pages, you name it. And there are loads of templates for you to choose from to make it an easy process. Next, we have emails. You can create and manage any emails, including newsletters and automatic campaigns that you can send to your audience. There are detailed statistics based on your email marketing that you can view here. Blogs is where you can create and manage your blog posts and content marketing. Automations include rules and workflows that will automate your entire business, making it much easier to run. Finally, in product and sales, we've got physical products. If you create an electronic product, you actually create it right on the payment page. I'll show you that in a later video. There are also coupons, where you can create coupon codes, orders to manage those physical products, transactions to track any payments that have gone through, subscriptions with Stripe and PayPal, and affiliate invoices to help manage your affiliates. Here, you'll be able to view and create courses, as well as course bundles. You can create 4 different courses, put them together in a bundle, and sell them for a discounted price. Students is where you can manage anyone who has purchased your courses, as well as give them access to these courses. Whether they've bought them or you're offering them for free, you can do both. Finally, my affiliate program is where you can manage and run your own affiliate program. How awesome is that, guys? There are lots of different features here, and it's really easy to use. We get great feedback all the time. If you're struggling at any point, you can get help by clicking on the help button here. If you have any questions, you can easily contact our support system through this little chat button here. Let's go to the next video, where I'm going to show you how to manage your contacts within Systeme.